Hello students and welcome back to our online classes. This is Priya Biani. Today we will see our new lesson data handling. Okay. So first we will see the introduction of our lesson. So statistics is the branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Collection of numerical facts regarding a particular type of information is called data. Statistic is what? It is a branch of a mathematics which deals with the collection, presentation and analysis of the data. But what is mean the data? Data is the collection of numerical facts, such as suppose we are having the numbers. So that all are the data. And each numerical fact is known as a observation. Okay. So we will see one example here. Consider the marks obtained out of 100 in mathematics by 20 students in order of their roll numbers. According to their roll numbers, 20 students marks are given to us. So you observe that 92, 70, 65 and so on marks are given in your video. So all these are the data. And the single numbers, that means 92 is the observation of the first student, 70 is the observation of the second student. Okay. Then we will see each mark entry above is called observation and collection of such observation is called raw data. Okay. Then we arrange the same data in the ascending order. Firstly, our list is given according to the student's roll number. Okay. But after that, we have to arrange them into the ascending order. So we are arranging them in the ascending order. So it is very easy to find out who having the lowest mark or how much marks the student having the lowest. It is 45 and the highest marks obtained is 98. Okay. And how many students are getting more than 90 marks? So we easily count how many students are there more than 90. These are, so we count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then we will see the presentation of the data. If number of observation is very large, then arranging them in ascending or descending order become a tedious job. Let us arrange the same data in the tabular form. In previous example, we just arrange or we just observe the data of only 20 students. But if we have to take out the data of all our school students, such as 500 or 1000 students, then it is hard for us to find out maximum, minimum and how many students are getting more than 90. So we arrange our data in the tabular form. So in that tabular form, we have to write down the three columns. First one, marks. Second one, tally marks. And third one, number of the students. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to write the 45. That means 45, why we are writing? 45 is our lowest marks of 10. So which one is the lowest? 45. So 45 how many times comes? 1 time. So tally mark for 1 is 1 standing line. So similarly, we have to check up to the 98. Okay. And the number of students total is 20. It is compulsory. What is your total coming and how many students are given to you? It is have to be same. Okay. Then for each observation, we mark vertical line. If the observation is repeated twice, we mark 2 vertical lines in the tally marks. If an observation is repeated 3 times, then 3 vertical lines. If the 4 times, then 4 vertical lines. And if the 5 times, then we have to mark the 4 vertical lines and the 5th one marked diagonally across the first 4. Okay. अगर 8 times आता है तो हमको क्या करना है? 1, 5 लिखना है और then 3. So these are called tally marks. Okay. And presenting of the data in this form is called presentation of the data. This table is also called frequency distribution table. difference between highest and the lowest value of the observation is called as the range of the data. Okay, difference between highest and the lowest value of the observation is called as the range of the data. Okay, so above data can be further arranged in the classes as follow: 41 to 50, how many students are getting? 51 to 60. Okay, then we will see how to make the table or the classes. Our lowest marks are 45. 45 is greater than 40 and less than 50. So 41 50, then 51 60. Same limit we have to carry. Okay, so above table shows the 2 students got marks between 61 70. 6 students got marks between 81 90 and so on. The number of times observation occurs is called the frequency of the observation. For example, 3 is the frequency of a class 71 and 80. The class 91 to 100 has a frequency 7. So this table is known as the frequency distribution table. In the class 41 and 50, 41 and 50, this is our one class. So 41 is called as the lower limit and 50 which is called as the upper limit of the class. Okay. And similarly in the class 51 and 60, 51 is the lower limit and 60 is the upper limit. Okay. This inclusive method of a group frequency distribution. The classes are formed such that the upper limit of the class is included in the class. Okay. Then here one example is given to you. You just have to write down the groups, tally marks and the frequency. Okay. So this is the grouped frequency distribution table. Understand? 2 minutes रुको. Then we will see the difference between the upper class limit and the lower class limit is called the width or the size of the class interval. Okay. So here one example is given to us. The marks obtained by 50 students of a class 8 in the maths are as follows. 50 students record is given to us. So we have to draw the tally marks. So the lowest marks is 12 and highest marks are 98.